Let's learn the names of military vehicles. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's go! Vocabulary time. Tank. Tanks are so big and strong. Can you say tank? Tank. Helicopter. Helicopter flies in the sky. Can you say helicopter? Helicopter. Fighter jet. Fighter jet, it zooms fast. Say zoom. Zoom. Humvee. A tough army car. Say Humvee. Humvee. Armor truck. It's covered in the strong metal. Submarine. It goes under the water. Can you say submarine? Submarine. Battleship. It floats and helps the army. Let's say battleship. Battleship. Missile launcher. Missile launcher, it carries big rockets. Boom! Let's say missile launcher. Missile launcher. Drone. It flies with no pilot inside. Can you say drone? Drone. Ambulance. It helps hurt soldiers. Let's say ambulance. Ambulance. Cargo truck. It carries army stuff. Radar vehicle. It finds things far away. Can you say radar vehicle? Radar vehicle. Troop carrier. It moves loads of soldiers. Let's say troop carrier. Troop carrier. Motorbike. It zooms fast with messages. Can you say motorbike? Motorbike. Now let's learn what these vehicles do. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's go! Tank. Tank goes into battle and protect people. Helicopter. It flies soldiers through the sky. Fighter jet. It zooms to protect the sky. Ambulance. It helps hurt soldiers to feel better. Troop carrier. It brings many soldiers at once. Submarine. It hides underwater like a secret. Drone. It flies and takes pictures from the sky. Let's hear what these vehicles sound like. Tank. Helicopter. Fighter jet. Ambulance. Troop carrier. Wow, you learned so many cool military vehicles today. Great job, cadets! You are now junior military vehicle experts. Do not forget to like, subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.